as I was saying, this here is a mighty fine fish and worth the fight. Come take a closer look. But watch out, it'll chew you.
A gray day? Can you make color out of gray? 4K, 24 frames per second, automatic HDR. In order to get off of HDR, you need to be on 48 frames per second. You can't shoot 30 frames per second and not have HDR off. 24 is for the low level shots, 30 frames is for daytime shots. I turned off auto low light. I put it on cancel. Oh, that should shut off HDR. Should it? When is it the right time to use auto low light? I guess when lighting scenes change. Now everybody's just cutting people off, as you can see, not what we like to do. And then they get off and they just go right back on. I switched to 4K, 48 frames per second, horizon balance, auto low light off, and we're going to shoot that way on this nasty day. I'm doing a little vlogging, shopping for some gardening pots. Oh yeah, this is what you want to avoid. People love looking. And of course, I'm getting off the next exit. You ever want to go out and go shopping? Just don't go. Hey, last chance to get a barbecue. We'll walk over to the pumpkins or just go in and not get wet. I'm looking for some plastic pots. Mostly they're in the back. And to correctly set up, I had to get everything back to 24, steady, rock steady, and then enable auto low light. Just clicking auto low light doesn't do it. Oh yeah.
This is mine, you varmint. Now, as I was saying, this here is a mighty fine fish and worth the fight. Come take a closer look. But watch out, it'll chew your finger off.
No lemon tree. Just for the pineapple. But I'll replant it. Add a little bit more dirt. Can't ruin a shot if you got it on video, right? Well, that's a pretty good shot of Halloween time. Oh yeah, man. I would love to get that. Here was not expensive at all. Well, that's my vlogging day, man. I hope you had fun coming along with me, sharing a little story, talking about the Osmo Action 4, how nicely it does video on a very foul day. Have a great day and enjoy your fun, no matter what you use, where you're at, and what you do. Have a great day. I'm Fish. See you on many other videos to come.